So now at the end of toward the end of the Ice Age, we start to see the emergence of humans. Now, primates didn't really start off all that exciting. And they look a lot like some sort of mixture between a squirrel and a lemur. And in fact, little creatures like Purgatorius, are the link in what our earliest ancestors would have looked like. Eventually, things got more and more complex. Obviously, lemurs, still the oldest, New World monkeys following them, Old World monkeys, and then finally the apes. From the apes, we get about another group of people called the Australopithecines. Australopithecines had some slight upright movement. They were famous from the discovery of Lucy, who was once thought to be our ancestor, but it's not necessarily so. In fact, genus Homo likely developed from Australopithecus africanus in the south. What we consider to be the emergence of genus Homo is the use of real tools, which starts with Homo habilis in Africa. Okay, now Homo habilis was not much bigger than the Australopithecines, and there's more of a height difference when you get to Homo erectus, a taller, more character guy, a guy who seems to have developed real language, and a species that seems to have spread throughout much of the world during its time on the planet. Then Homo erectus evolved a step further into Homo sapiens. The first Homo sapiens are from Africa, and then they split into two different groups. Homo sapiens neanderthalis, who's sort of an older group, eventually found in Europe, and then Homo sapiens sapiens, who we consider ourselves to be part of. Okay, now, once we had established Homo sapiens sapiens with bigger brains, better ability to move around, and better tool-making skills, we're really starting to bring people together for what will become the most important species on the planet. And next time we will look at the very earliest communities of people and how they would do things.